In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage in your Exness account. Whether you're tightening risk or looking for more flexibility, I'll walk you through the exact path and share tips so you understand what each choice means. Start by logging into your Exness personal area on the official website, or open the Exness Trade app and sign in there. Make sure you're using the official platform and a secure connection. Once you're in, go to the section labeled My Accounts. This page shows every live and demo account linked to your profile, so take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct one. Find the specific account you want to modify, and click or tap the settings option, the small gear icon right next to the account name. This opens a short menu of account controls. Choose the option called Change Leverage, sometimes shown as Leverage Settings, to open the leverage selector. You'll see a drop-down list with available ratios such as 150, 1-200, 1-2000, or unlimited, depending on your eligibility and the instruments you trade. Lower ratios generally mean more conservative use of margin and a smaller impact from price movements. Higher ratios increase your market exposure with less margin, which can amplify both gains and losses. Pick the level that matches your strategy and risk tolerance. If you're experimenting or learning, consider starting lower and moving up only when you're comfortable with how margin and drawdowns behave. After selecting your preferred leverage, confirm the change. The platform will apply the new setting to your account instantly. That means your margin requirements update right away, so be mindful if you have open positions or pending orders. Your free margin and potential liquidation thresholds can shift with this adjustment. If a certain ratio isn't shown, it may be restricted for your account type, region, or the instruments you're trading. Remember, leverage doesn't change the price of an instrument. It changes the margin required to open and hold a position. For example, at 150, you need more margin compared to 1-2000, which frees up more funds but increases sensitivity to price swings. Unlimited leverage is specialized and should be approached with strict risk controls and a clear plan. A quick tip: use a demo account to see how different leverage levels affect margin usage and risk before applying changes to a live account. And always review your risk management, position sizing, stop-loss placement, and overall exposure so your leverage choice supports your goals. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, navigated to My Accounts, opened settings, selected change leverage, chose a ratio, and confirmed. Your new leverage is now active,